Focus on the noodles. Sizzle, get down in there. What are you?
Just use a fork. It makes it so much easier.
Here's fork.
That's not a fork. Okay.
Ah, that's how we're gonna come off.
Move.
Like I'm the luckiest guy ever. I'm sure you. Noodles. Oh, look at that. It's pink in your camera.
Cool.
What if I just burnt your phone? What if I just dropped it in her and tell you really bad? You kind of cry a little bit. Quit. Ow!
Oh no!
Come here, Annabelle. Noodles.
Oh, hot noodles.
Yeah, they're only in a pan of boiling water.
I burnt my finger.
On what? I don't know, but it felt hot. Hey, what is on the back here? What is that?
What'd you touch?
I don't know, but it's all sticky and it's on the back of my phone. I don't know. Your phone went. It went. Probably because somebody checked the screen. Because I have friends. Your friends are oh, dude, all foggy. Hold your phone. Oh, that's hot water. I need it.
Ow, this just splashed me. Ow, it splashed me again.
I watched Romeo and Juliet.
Ow.
It was another show.
That's a good movie.
No. Don't have paper towels.
Hey, best friend. Best friend.
Noodles. Oh.
You keep splashing me. You know how to put these in?